Well, hey guys, this is the Aldi mower, the self-propelled one, the Ferex 173cc engine from Aldi, $2.99. Quite a good mower for the money. You won't get that as much mower for that money from Bunnings and places. I think they're a 20-inch cut, whereas the most you'll get for that money is an 8-inch, and they're not self-propelled either. So anyway, a common problem with these self-propelled mowers is the cables stretch and they end up fraying from this point here down to the stabilizer on the handlebar. This is what happened. We lost drive because the cable was stretched and frayed at this section. Now a new cable was purchased unknowing what was involved, so when I went to replace it I couldn't believe you can't really access the little gearbox that drives the wheels that the cable goes into. I ended up taking the back axle out, trying to get to the little gearbox where the cable goes into. No way. And it's encased, believe it or not, in this section down here, in that section with the holes in it. It's behind there, and it's got a heavy duty spring holding it in, and if you get the spring out, then it's got the drive belt from the engine as well that you can't undo because you can't get at it. Now if you could get this section out, you might have a chance, but you've got to take this flap out, and you know, good luck trying to get that off. So a lot of mucking around even if you can get to it. So to fix this thing in 10 minutes, all I ended up doing was fixing the cable itself. So I went to Bunnings and bought what they call a wire joiner unit. Now these, you just thread your wire in one end. As soon as you thread it in and pull it back, it's locked. And same with the other end. Thread your cable through the other end, pull it back, it's locked. So I trimmed this back, this cable here from the stabilizer, about 1.5 inches long, just 2 inches long, and I just threaded that through onto there, locked. Got myself some tire wire, threaded that through there, locked. Brought it back, wrapped it around where it used to join up here. Mightn't look fancy, but hey, this works. And that's your self-propelled problem with the cable fixed in 10 minutes. Easy as, little mechanical time to do, rather than pulling half this mower apart to see if you can even get to the little gearbox that the cable goes into. So that's a very easy solution. Okay, thanks for watching guys, bye bye.